viene.
És el crit de guerra.
Ara la trucada. Et truco jo?
Yeah, fucking day, fucking night. In this shit town. Had me down. It almost had me down. I can't see shit in my mirrors. Wow, it's gonna be.
You ready?
Of course, man! Don't you see me?
Night Fuckers, Part 2, The Fucking Fuck Harder. New Year's Eve edition.
Yeah, New Year's Eve edition. Yeah. Man, there is no one.
There's no one, man. Pandemic.
But let's be careful. Oh, whoa, whoa. What's that? Just go for it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh shit. There's a bike behind me. Okay. Whoa. This one might be a good view. So, how do you feel for New Year's Eve, man?
The pandemic sucks.
That's nothing new.
Yeah, it's just, you know, you gotta be home by 1. The whole fact that everything's so locked down, there's only, how many people can meet in one place?
10.
Yeah, so you can't have more than 10 people in one place.
I wish I had 10 people to hang out with.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like I can take the campanadas at like riding the bike, and I don't really care about fireworks or like traditional the thing with the clock, you know, like ding 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 ding. But if you want to go somewhere, someplace and watch the fireworks or something, I'm just crazy about fireworks. I don't really care.
Al búnker, tío. ¿Tenemos al búnker o qué?
That's a good idea, man. That's a fucking good idea. It's simple, it's near, it's close. Whoa, fireworks! Let's go there!
We got 10 minutes, let's go, man.
We got all night, man.
Night Fuckers, right again.
Same road as yesterday.
Same road as yesterday.
It's really this really vertical street, you know?
Yeah, I know it. I know it.
How do you say it? Like stiff street or anything? Okay. I mean, man.
That guy works for the city. You see, this is what I'm talking about, man. Like, that's just... Those guys work for the fucking city, for God's sake.
I know, man. That's why I just told you. Just fucking go, man. There's no one. Even Guardia Urbana just don't respect the fucking red lights. I mean, it has its good side. All this shitty side of Spain that makes us so angry also has like a funny side. Like this, you know? Like you just... Sometimes you can just fucking do what you want and nobody goes crazy. People just don't give a fuck. It has its good side too, you know? high. Let's go.
You make it?
Wow, this is fucking wet. Yeah, I did it. Nice, we have our parking. Just leave it like this.